Hi, my name is Laura Antonini and I am an energy expert. Energy experts work to discover alternative energy to reduce the amount of fossil fuels we burn every day. The major cause of global warming is the burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuel is a natural fuel from animal and plant remains in the past like coal or gas. We burn fossil fuels every day using transportation, in the factories and industries, when we run electricity, and when we heat our homes. The United States gets 84% of its total energy from fossil fuels. Now let's talk about ways to help. Since transportation is one of the leading factors in burning fossil fuels, maybe when you can ride a bike or walk or carpool because those are all burning fossil fuels. 2. Turn off your lights, unplug your devices, and take shorter showers because those are all burning electricity. 3. Try getting a solar panel. I know that sounds challenging, but they have become cheap and companies can rent them to you because in the long run you are saving the amount of fossil fuels that get burned. 4. Try driving a fuel-efficient car like a hybrid. All these examples and more can help the environment and save our home. Take action.
This statement was produced and paid by Michael Callahan, EPA. My name is Michael Callahan, Policy Analyst for the Environmental Protection Agency. I attended Northwestern University and pursued law and climate science. I was hired by the EPA in the summer of 2006 and I am still working there today. I focus on developing laws and policies to reduce air pollution and emission of greenhouse gases. The United States Congress had begun to pass laws that increase energy efficiency in 1970 when the Clean Air Act was passed. This bill addressed the emissions of pollutants in industrial areas. The Environmental Protection Agency released a statement that explained and summarized the Clean Air Act of 1970. Quote, "The Clean Air Act, CAA, is the comprehensive federal law that regulates air emissions from stationary and mobile sources." This statement is only a brief explanation of how the field of law and democracy can save our planet's future. The United States government must find a way to reduce the pollution that goes on daily in our country, and the only way to do that is to use our power of democracy and pass laws and bills that limit pollution nationwide. The United States Congress also passed another law, known as the American Clean Energy and Security Act. This act, passed in 2009, put in place new policies that increased the energy efficiency in electric utilities, funded the future development of renewable and clean energy like solar and wind power, and planned for a 17% decrease in carbon and methane emissions by 2020. In order to combat climate change in the field of law, more bills like this should be produced and put into effect in the near future.